We would like to introduce the Molport List Search tool, which allows you to search for up to 10,000 compounds simultaneously. You can obtain immediate information about compound availability, pricing, lead times, and supplier details. To use the list search functionality, you must be a registered user. Registration is free. In List Search, you can upload your list of required compounds as an SD file or Smiles file, or copy a list of Smiles or Molport IDs from an Excel spreadsheet. The next step is to specify the required amount of samples and choose the destination country to see the correct shipping charges. In the second step, you review whether the list search has recognized the data correctly. And the best offer calculation is complete. The following steps you can take are: to edit the list one by one. Use the Filter tab for bulk customization. Or go to the Statistics page for more insights into your quote and optimization. Review your summary. And when you are satisfied with the list, you can proceed in several ways. You can complete your order online by clicking the Order button, or download quote and together with the purchase order, send to sales@molport.com. We hope the Molport List Search will become a valuable tool to speed up and enhance your compound selection and sourcing workflow.